Friends, if anybody start their English learning journey, English speaking journey, they start expecting from first day that they will speak English fluently, and often they have question that when they will speak English fluently and eloquently. So friends, for them here I am to give answer. But friends, there is no any exact answer of that question. So today in this video I am going to answer you of these questions, that how did I get this much fluency in English. So friends, if I talk about any methods, any strategies or any routines, so honestly speaking I did not follow any method or any uh, techniques or any routine to speak English fluently, but I can say, I can say proudly and I can say strongly that I started from zero. I started from scratch, but now I am speaking this much. So, friends, I did not put that kind of that much efforts. What kind of efforts English fluency need? Yes, I'm honestly speaking, but I had watched a lot of content, and if if I say I did not practice English speaking every single day, will you believe me? Yes, I did not speak English every single day, and I was not consistent with my English speaking journey. I had a strong motive, I had a strong reason, I had a strong purpose to learn this language, but still I had laziness in me. So that's the reason I could not um, able to maintain consistency. I could not do English speaking practice every single day. So friends, that is the reason I am getting stuck while speaking. So friends, you can imagine that if I had put a lot of efforts, if I had maintained consistency, then I would have spoken much better than now I'm speaking, right? So putting efforts, how much efforts you are putting to learn this language, and how much time you are giving to this language to achieve fluency. So this matter a lot, that how will you speak in future and how long it will take you to learn this language. So if you indulge yourself more and more, then you you will become better very faster. But if you don't put efforts, or if you don't indulge yourself more and more, if you don't indulge yourself enough, then you are not going to speak like others are speaking. So um, indulge yourself as much as you can in English language. And I am honestly speaking, shadowing method is really helpful for every English learners, because if we do shadowing practice, we will listen any content, we watch any content, at the same time we are doing listening and speaking and reading practice at the same time. So shadowing method is really beneficial for every English learners. So friends, as I mentioned, I did not follow any routine, any methods, any strategies to learn this language. But yes, I was consistent for some days, but I cannot say that I was so consistent with my English language. Friends, if I had consistent, then I I mentioned that I would have been fluent by this time. So friends, please maintain consistency. If you are not maintaining consistency, then it will be difficult for you to speak English eloquently. So guys, nowadays I know how to form a sentence, and uh, I know how to make sentences, but I am stuck where I am stuck in vocabulary. I have short vocabulary. Yes, I I was able to speak. I was able to speak. I was able to express my ideas in short period of time, but I had vocabulary problem. And still I have vocabulary problem. Why? Because I am not able to maintain consistency in this language. I'm not reading any kind of books. I'm not writing journal, and I'm not reading. I'm not watching English content every day. So that is the reason I am facing vocabulary problem while speaking. Sometimes stuck I get totally stuck while speaking, and I need to search it on Google or ChatGPT that what it would be in English. What is the meaning of this in English? I have to search it on Google or ChatGPT. And for that, what I have to do, I have to stop camera, and then I have to search it, and then I have to make sentences using that vocabulary. So this is happening with me. Even when I speak simple sentences, sometimes I feel stuck while making simple sentences. Why? Because I am lack of vocabulary. Vocabulary plays a vital role in a spoken English. So we really need vocabulary. We need a lot of vocabulary while speaking. If we have our water tank full, then only we can fetch water from that water tank, right? If we don't have full water of that tank, then we cannot fetch water from that water tank. So for that, at first we have to fill water at the tank, then only we can fetch water from that tank, right? um, mm, and just like that, if we have to give output, then we have to input first. So for input, what we have to do, we have to watch lots of English content, we have to do shadowing practice, and we have to read English, and we have to write. So friends, this is what I wanted to convey through this video today. So friends, I'm not teaching you how to learn this language, but friends, what I am feeling, I am trying to learn this language for a long time. It's been 1 year I am trying to learn this language, but as I mentioned, I'm not consistent. That's why I'm taking a lot of time to learn this language, to speak this language. So friends, I just wanted to convey this with you so that you will not make this kind of mistakes as I did earlier. So I always decide to do something new, and I always decide to follow routine or method to learn this language. But believe me, I'm not able to maintain any routine or any consistency for this language. So wherever I get chance, and what method or techniques I feel comfort for me, so I am doing that. I am not able to come out from my comfort zone. This is the reason. So I will suggest you not to stay in your comfort zone. Please try to come out from your comfort zone, otherwise you will face a lot of difficulties like me to speak this language. So
Mama,
friends, bye bye.
Mama,
Hmm.
Mama,
Hmm.
Ma, Thakumana.
Hmm.